Welcome to the session. We'll be discussing contours in this session using OpenCV and C++. So first include libraries, include IOStream, right? And then include OpenCV2/HiGUI.hpp. okay, and then copy this and then paste here, and here name is image img proc. Okay, once again paste here, and here name is img code cs. So these are the library which is needed, and then you can write using namespace standard, because we'll be using cout, and then using namespace cv. Okay, so library has been included. The next work is we need some global variable like int thresh equals 100, say 100. Another global variable, because contours we will be finding on Canny output, and for Canny output we need grayscale image. So we'll write mat is the data type for image, so mat grayscale, right? We need grayscale image, and that grayscale image will be converted to blur image. So we can define mat gray underscore blur. So these are the global variables. Okay, these are the global variables, and logic we will be writing in a method, so we'll define that method soon. Now write int main function. Okay, so return 0, function is of integer type, so write a return 0, and in this method we need I am read, and then I am going to give the path fdrive / image name is world.jpg. okay, so it should be in double quote, so here I can say it is in double quote, image read. So it will be stored image variable data type, that is mat and src. So it will be stored in src, right? Now I am so and name original and then src. So here you can show this image, Control S. Now run this. So if you run this, you can see the original image on the screen, right? You can see original image. So it prompts and went away. Why is it so? Because we need to give wait key. Okay, Control S, key is there, wait key, and Control S. Once again run this program. Okay, so this is the original image which is coming, right? What should be the next step? So next step is to convert this image into grayscale image, right? Grayscale image. So you will be using method cbt color. cbt color. In color, pass src, means source image, input array src, right? And output array name. So after conversion, it will be converted to src_gray. Okay. Or I have defined grayscale. So you can write grayscale. Okay. And then into code. So color underscore BGR, blue, green, red to gray. This one, gray. So this is the code, and this was the original image was shown here. Control X, and here it is Control V. Okay, Control X and Control V, then Control S. Save this image. Now what to do? Image is there, right? Control C and Control V. Here it is grayscale image. GRAY, grayscale image. Control S. So show it. You can see grayscale image and original image, right? Just wait. This is grayscale and this is original. Is there any difference? Grayscale and this is original image and grayscale image. SRC color BGR to gray, CBT color, right? So what next? Next is we are going to blur, right? So use blur function, and in blur you write input array grayscale, okay, and then output array gray blur. Gray is blurred, so write gray blur, and then size say 3, or size scalar 3,3. This is size. SCALAR, color blur. So size is, you can also write size 3,3. So hope it will take. Yes, size. Now if you want to see the blur image, just copy this, Control C, and here you can say Control V and write gray blur. Here SRC only, here you can write gray underscore scale, okay, grayscale image, and here you can see gray blur, GRAY, gray and blur. Control S. Now run this program, so you can see so now this is grayscale image, right? Grayscale, this is original, okay, and blur we have shown gray underscore blur. Here you write blur scale, so blurred image, blurred one, okay. Save this.